Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is the weekend, and we got Holiday Rush going on right now. You don't need to go anywhere. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Check this company out. See what goodies they have to offer besides this item. And here we go. And let's see what it is today. Ooh. Alright. Who's this coming from? Oh, VONT. Bada boom. Motion sensor light. These are really cool to have. Nice little stocking stuffers to give somebody or to yourself. There they are, their social feeds. Let's open this thing up. So they got a lot of cool tech items for the tech person that you know. There we go. Here we go. Open this thing up. You can shove these in closets, maybe underneath your island in your kitchen, anywhere that you need an extra light. These are always great. They're pretty bright too. So let's take them all out. Comes with sticky notes. Okay. There we go. Run it. And happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Here we go. Alright, come on. Cut this one open. But this is what they look like. Kind of like hockey pucks, street pucks. Awesome. You're going to need some batteries, I do believe. I think AAA. I think I got AAA still. I'm going to have to stock up myself. And we got these sticky notes just sticking down here. I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. Alright. I'm just glad this year is almost over with, though. Oops, sorry about that. It's been an interesting year. Here we go. And I think you twist. Yep. Twist and shout. There we go. We got 3 AAAs, so a total of 9 AAAs you're gonna need. So just do this. Come on. Not that old yet. There we go. Like opening. And the third one. I think I got enough batteries. If not, I know I got enough for one to try test out. And I'm gonna put it probably in the closet to show you guys. Hold on one sec. Grab me the batteries. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh shoot. Ah. I might be out of luck. Dang it. Double A's. Where are my triple A's? Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause you guys because I gotta look. Alright guys, found 3 of them, so I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and grab some more AAA batteries and stack up for myself. Can't believe I ran out. First time in a while I did that. Dang. Should be easy. Pop right back in. Come on. go. Just take this. Sticky note 1. Place it over that. Then we'll hop somewhere 1 second. Alright guys, here is one of them. And I found another set. And there's that. They're really bright. Boom. So check them out guys. VONT motion sensors. Kind of looks like the Iron Man piece he has on his chest. Maybe you can use it as a prop. So there you go. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good weekend. See ya.